also the power supply.
Computer scientist Xia Zhou thinks a lot about traffic.
One problem you see is coming from the increasing demand, traffic demands, from the increasing number of devices we're having today.
Smartphones, tablets, watches, the number of wireless devices we depend on keeps going up and up. And more data traffic means more traffic jams.
Radio frequency is widely used today for wireless communication. The idea of visible light communication is to look at another medium, which is visible light spectrum.
With support from the National Science Foundation, Zhou and a team at Dartmouth College are developing faster ways to encode and transmit all that data using the same kind of lighting devices we have in our homes.
The idea is to turn the lights around us into wireless transmitters to encode data into the changes of the light.
By connecting a small modulation unit, any LED light can be turned into a wireless networking device.
It has much wider bandwidth, and it's also more secure because light cannot penetrate the wall, so you can confine the communication inside the room without worrying about others eavesdropping the traffic.
She says it even works when a light appears to be turned off. It's called dark light.
We are generating very short pulses from the LEDs, and they are imperceptible to our eyes, but detectable by the sensors, so they can still transmit data.
They're also building technology that uses light for behavioral sensing. It allows you to interact with devices just by making gestures in the air, handy as devices get smaller.
You can place the hand under the table lamp, and the system can reconstruct the hand gestures in real time.
Lights in the ceiling could sense movements of the full body. So far, they've tested the system as a virtual reality controller, but its potential goes far beyond gaming.
If the infrastructure, the environment knows the posture of our body, so this can be an input modality to those different devices, so you can interact with them without having any devices on the body at all.
So we bought this headset and we put our eye trackers inside the VR headset.
This eye tracking system senses visible light reflecting off the pupils. To scroll through these photos, all you have to do is look to the side. One day, this could be built into a pair of glasses.
The image gonna swipe to the next one. And when I look at the left-hand side, it's gonna swipe back.
Zhou and her team see visible light communication as a much-needed advance in wireless data transmission. They say radio frequency just doesn't have the muscle to handle all the new computing devices coming online in the next few years.
Given the grand challenge of providing more bandwidth to increasing number of devices, we have to look at other frequency bands to increase the capacity.
Harnessing the power of light to make the future of wireless networking and sensing brighter. For Science Nation, I'm Miles O'Brien.